One stock to watch around the open is Coinbase, the crypto exchange initiating another round of layoffs and cutting 20% of the workforce. The CEO, Brian Armstrong, writing in a blog post, over the past 10 years, we became too focused on growing headcount as a metric for success. Especially in this environment, it's important to shift our focus to operational efficiency. Abby has more. Hey, Abby.
Hey, John. Yeah, and it's interesting because Brian Armstrong was also saying that this is the first time that there has been a downturn in the crypto space along with a macro downturn, sort of suggesting that that's a piece of what's going on. But one analyst at Oppenheimer saying that the reason that this company has now cut over the last 8 months in terms of company headcount for a third time, it has everything to do with the idea that volumes at their crypto exchange are down, especially after the FTX blow up. The stock, it's interesting, is higher today, up 1.7%. So maybe some relief on a stock that's down more than 85% since its IPO. The current cut about 20% or 950 staff. They cut about 1,200 people last June. They also cut 60 people somewhere in between. So more than 2,200 people over the last, let's call it 8 months or so, again, having to do with this slowdown in crypto trading. And they are cutting special projects. As a result, they're taking about $150 million in restructuring charges. So this is no small matter. And net income, back in 2021, when they did go public, they were putting up really solid net income of greater than $1 billion in 2 quarters, and in one case, close to $2 billion. Well, we're now looking at yet another quarter of negative net income. The crypto winter simply continues here, John. Very clear for Coinbase. But again, the stock is higher, so maybe find a little bit of relief.
Higher and keeps climbing. Abby, thank you. Now up by 8% on the session, 2 minutes into the open.